Prof, how was the law offended in this instance? Because recently, people calling for Ken Ofori-Atta to be brought back or to be tried in absentia. The main reason why Ken Ofori-Atta have not been tried in absentia because no Niganaha, and they didn't put him before any court before he left the country. So it makes it different from Sedinandi. In the case of Sedina, she was in this country, and they didn't call court. And not still quite no Johnny. That's the case. That is different from Ken Ofori-Atta than a young fan and cocoa to cry. Anything up to today, there is no case against Ken Ofori-Atta in any court. But Sedinam there was. What I say, and no decided no absconded from justice. And he have forced on the so she did not even have representation. These people are her lawyers, they did not at the time only legal representation be now with Timu Fire. So we are about to talk about my lawyers.
Okay, with that mommy, you're not
Obi Numa wa boy see what you go.
Where you go? Where you go? I can't say me.
I want where you go.
Boys come more crew. Man, as a room, where you go?
Wait. That is policy come what you go.
Okay,
wait their time. This one is bad.
Charles Makati and I'll tell you, managing editor for the Hawk newspaper. Now, Mammy called me near Prince in Chain. Said here and commodity, AG were filing for stay of execution. The Supreme Court. What do you make of it?
Prof, I'm say, can't and Simbi. There is a saying, say, Ukofa Jataba Fia, Enyano, to send ya one yang, Ejnamoa, Debbie Bedrow, Betcher worry. So, Nintiasi, and they say, Sir. The kind of environment, as they say, within the judiciary near the no. Bibia and then a chassis, a tone, by way by almost set it right from the beginning. And I fade it. I say, hey, I fade it. I ain't one near CD. Hey, wait, dear, a more shit. But any say one so tia say almost chassis and say sometimes ye ba na obi asem to obi also we dey say ono na atono the next one no obi hu ana e ben oni be ba on so no na adro so na afa dey o kamu na ye onwa but time e chassis no na wo fo say wo dey emfa wo. Not too long ago, now by any omo bebre yes you omo goodwill MPP for who he entino they say by no goodwill and say kasakra. Oh yes. They say the omo akatene down kakra. We mu na ba ko bi aka. But your call position fit ya say there. Hey, you could draw you did what them say and Ghana for I atwetiamo and a moment my yamu oh ebi o cry did you attempt almost personally to send him say wa munokrana sebi wa kwa akogu hu fi as opposed to a political situation happen here any ene I know so many MPP for omanto aba NDC for ye yom so mu kama no tum some na mo bae NDCD in same hukra na ye say MPP for and they are to blame because yene ya mom aba ene omusha say Chief Justice share the details of the case aye hu ye administrative mami ene ni kunu ene ne ba at say different times no mu two kwan ade aye hu bi o kromu hani it minya ayi government officials are almost timid a whole team ekoshe Dubai be 1 month ne ade yetini nyina almost so a control other levers of government mami asem a wo kakra no say other chief justices or other justices use the same privileges. And you no cast obey it shame no na ye omo judicial secretaries a den kra na yes arrangement in the man and you no kra no can say change na amonye ni say whether you like it or not. Near the uni free ho. Ghana for look the other way because NDC na powerful. Omo ho akono. They cannot do any wrong. Oh, say the NDC na omo buy abam papa ba. And omo etiti petrol so. And omo aye say and they say they can do whatever they want. Any. Prof.
Yes.
This issue we've said in Army, I have in isolation. Nya minya kasa wa hai, makati kasa wa hai. Or mention cases no snake, saglemi, cocoa board, meboa. Omba umujia umunyina. Dr. Dufour diye 5.7 billion CDs. And million billion.
8 years went to me and prosecute you.
That's fine. But you know, 8
years went to
Prof,
me.
Meba, you know, any say even said in case yes so cut and dry. For whatever reason, they take you 5 years. 5 years. First time nearby. And at that time we said, Mami the check Emma company be some investment. Omuye investment no munya agreement in along the line of the investment, what years can I know? I'm saying 500,000. What years can I know? And almost half a day, to me agree on rate in the bio. Into no almost first can I back. And I'll catch them so almost sign scan ma or no direct. No, koji scan. I'm fan to company account to move back. And yet, cut and dry. What are they talking about? In a court, in other cases, yes, a cast be almost toy any other name share joy documentary. It be 3 times the normal value. These were some of the issues that were discussed. After all, we have several different, including causing financial loss to the state. Yeah, prove case na fe say say judge no I presume so on ye innocent. I mean Ghana for nyina they know the case, but California so case na che ada ne fast track ni assembly prof case na cha ubetimi abo MPP so ubetimi abo court no so bo sa na che meboa but does that mean say jai omo mo ni ntamwe. If MPP a time in a court now is slower, what is stopping you from saying say a ben fast near close matter no? Ma court ni asem no. Into jeja omona no and na lawyer sebe can say because mu jeja mu set it tone no. For all you know, say court no obi who they've gotten the message. So tia say it's likely because mu jeja info nyina omu nyina wa jeja omu. To we no kwa de on de on kokoda mu.
But say AG so on tiasia into the senti no.
Max. AG. The other time I mentioned Miami issue happening here. Ewo medwuma mu. Prof. Utie me. Medwuma mu obi ye bibi. And I mean code details no. Wo ye bibi no. Board hwe mu audit, internal audit and omo ye finding no. Omo hu ye na omo ede ba ya e ba board anim no ye hwehwe mu wie ne ade nyina na ehu se nipa bi after a whole forensic experts e ba mu ni ade ne se no we culpable ti yi wadi no ya sa charge o sa nipa yi allegation ne say wo ye NDC ni mapapa e wo madwuma mu ho unim ne happen here. Right around the time ye fi abamu no na the case na shase wo court NDC aban ba ye pe omo undefended case omo prosecuted case ni bio and a foolish case.
But Prince, I've seen that a year one was say aban and for that matter the AG cases are MPP4 ye tro mu nyina no ye nya omo Chairman Bernard Wuntumi wase enam said nam tamaklo asem ye yi no ade a
Prof.
was say ye jai Wuntumi so free
Prof.
Yes.
Prof. For mahu sa letter way me person me pemre no ma reading no in more detail me person me no jaso like that enti Mr. Wa may take it time no ma reading here. But what I can say is a selective justice and they are very clear. And now the tone if it be bastardization of the various state institutions. Government will bastardize BBA. First of all, Ghana for the super majority or parliament. So, into control of the executive, control of the parliament near the Maomo, which is turning out to be a huge mistake. It's clear. And now, almost the top 17, the most senior 17 officials in the military, the army, and you retire omunyina. Edu actually no near say omu yi nipa mpanifo nko abe 20 and omo e force omo into retirement. Ena omo call Supreme Court e kokko ye maami ni omo ye no. So ahu enti no uhwe all the party ni nyina na hwe senior Yoko has been weaponized. And ananado Yoko amo bia namu one day. Prof Yoko ama ubia anemu one day during an investigation. Not one day. Uba under all the three Yoko heads MPP have oye. Uba omono wa semwa omono edinkita ho na okofie. They never put anybody in cells for overnight. The only time yadi obi call say ohia bail court looking at the bail condition here after court ya charge you ene Yoko ya charge wa a chance ready for a gun crofo who fi creating this environment. Attorney General send you sifa trying crofo media mu ni eka amanfo so mayenka na yetimi yes and am say ye no he Matra Canada for how many years? Yenyanesa and sana prosecutor beba ababe jina media mu ene bia police in California the not just a case na du babia and headed to court. Ena omu beba na bia oma high level the key charges are ye dia body panoni ade. They don't get into details e be prejudicial. Ye prosecutor idiots attorney general a chain say odi asem no ewo media nim emma baby crade yesi jama omukoye no some watches bi a oni akrowo ni fie ni ade nyina na e ka ho asem. How intisa bastardization ya bastardize institutions no ene afede ye pretend say nwanwa why ne kofa jata ne ba fie benye no te say aginamo this is what they wanted. Intino selective justice no eno na Ghana for pa ene almost support na se say no galamse ne niema ekoso a ye nyina ye hu krofo ye twa video ye nche obia yetimi ko NDC official ewo abrem emomu boni din government na agency minerals commission task force akwa koshia abrantie ese one no youth organizer arrest no entino so bika say no say sa na ebe no say enipa bi nkoa na omo we MPP fo a yebegu hu fi ye arrest o keke ese ye investigate keke na chese ya ball papi just like that. That's what is happening.
But more ejina baso say we apply for stay of execution
and
Prof, the Supreme Court will put a temporary freeze on the outcome of the appeals court. And
Prof, Abasu Bobie Niha at this point. I don't think the Ghana for Duduona and Phyllis Ombebo be Abaso at this point. Oma created this environment of selective justice. Ye giant NDC4 nyina. Masa, with some of the cases, Saglemi was $200 million. Snit was over 200 million cedis or so. Before the 5.7 billion cedis. Chief, and just small ayi ni eka wo ha wo. Ye ja wo nyina ese case na che.
We dey pray so man na men call transition home na men ko hu de men go hwe de AC wo ho.
I know say no dey emfa ni agro because drama na nya agro.
Yenya Andy ewa homa no so oye SOMPA FM ansantroni na akakopie ewo transition home. Apostle Kojo Safo ayiyo ne ho nsem ene ye kai na ebi mo aka na say emu no de akwakopie ewo gumwa side ho ebi mo so kire say emu no emfree eye transition home ho na ono na akwakopie mo ho a me ne ba bedi nkomo andi na ti say
me atu pro
bibi aboko de
prof na me adom pa ye ho ye boko
okay sesi ano ahifa na wugina
prof mama SOMPA tiefo nyina akwa baby na sisi am no ka say dem nu ebigina transition home enimu kwa
ewo hachu
na me ndi nkomo ewo hachu
me hu say watwetwa mfonyin bi ade aba be chefo obetimi akwa Facebook wall sisi SOMPA 106.5 FM wakra obetimi akwa hwe aye mfonyin ni nyina ewo ye Facebook wall SOMPA 106.5 FM wakra na woni entimi nko ho no twa ho mfonyin kire mo den na ekoso
you prof bra mi be duru ha ne de na ase enipa wa ha kakra bi ba tima pena nko mi akore se we no afa ha ya no afa ha we ya afa ha nti so far me no ka say de me ba e na kikiki wom kakra be ba si ade obi ade party a me kwa me ma je sen kamiyom me mum bambu ho nsem de ho dinyi pa mo kira mo so mo ala mo obi akra nko yin 9% ke wenya ho kwan kra ebisebisa nsem anase we bisebisu bi de ekompo
anti aposifo atwa aye transition home no ho asia
for sabe pepe posifo e wa haye papa e free other side ho ba no kra de barrier kakra e wo ho a kesi wudru ha before say be mo wura mu kra no wonye obi atempotem ho na say bi a wo be sia da hwe obi gidigidi kra na prof be din so obi timi zo wura mu ho ha e kwa transition kwan so
na udu wa wudi wa so tete tutu form no enkomo ben na wate say woni e wo ho edie
prof agam be duru ha no akofo bi say adwasafo maame adwasafo ba ha e be ye sen ko be fa na so appointee for nti injunction na da body misumti no mutimi allow no e ma ne mfa we ma ne ye kikiri kakra bi ama nti ase nso ye edima na o se ne o na osabe ba enti ye wide prof ye wa ke uni ye twen so ba de ya ye wa ha
because ye bomodin ko eye gomua ho na ye kodu ho no ya mane boy nsa ka free ho a kire se wo mu de emu no aba eye gomua ho se de ensemtwerefo ono represent your central region SC no na me bisa no se onu ankasa no wo de nani ehu emu na na osi de bi da won fa but atesem a what fi ebusuafo no ho se emu no de e wo ho nyame adom a enwumrei omo be kra no sabre wusu wo transition home ana wa ma ya te ase se aya honorable Sarah Josafo ba ho se oba be fa emu no efri ho na aposifo no amma ne kwan amma na mfa emu no emfri ho because injunction edaso enti no as we speak no and someone amanfo kana no say Sarah Josafo ba wo ba ho no anko ba be fa enti wansan wanya ekwan amfa mu no enti no oso okọ na wasaba sa pepe na mane bonete
sa pepe prof
na ohwa post for dudu omo wo ho a omo dudu ba yesen na opeso ke bibi ansa
prof ebem be duru ha no omo chirema na pane de na enya ni kakra ko na kikiri wo omo tu adjust timi duru ha be around 9 ni mu to 10 ni entina chesenka oba no wa be encounter ni fast na fi odi ade no enso afiri ha demo apolitifo no ayire bambo mu ye papa fanti bibi sa enso entimi ankoso na metie mu no mamfo no bi nso kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo mu deɛ according to bi mu ɔmo sɛ ɔmo hu sɛ ne nua bɛma no ɛnso de nkɔɔfo bi nso akɔgyinagyina baabi
ne nua bɛrima bɛn ɛyɛ kodwo akofo no a ɔhwɛ akyire ama ne papa no anaa
saa pɛpɛɛpɛ
ɔno nso de mmarima bi akɔgyina baabi
yes sɛ mpo koraa no sɛ ne nua ba no nya ho ɛtumi fa kɔ a ɔmo nso bɛyɛ encounter na ɔno nso ata agye adeɛ no aba back
really
saa ne teɛ pro
wow and my nase say ode amane abɔ yɛn ebia na question bi wɔ hɔ a membisa na wohu bibi a mentimi mbisa wobetimi de atodwa na yamawo bye bye
prof na wo bisa sɛ apolitifoɔ fɛn na mehwɛ wɔ ha mefa mani hu yɛ na mede m'ani kenkan koraa mehu apolitifoɔ bɛyɛ de asa yes that's what grounds yes that's what transition ebi inside and ebi nso ɛwɔ outside and I said American ebi nso abɔ barrier wɔ ano wɔ kakra in the way say obi antimi ewura inside people cry central for kra no ɔmo say ɔmo ntimi allow ye emi nso yɛnkɔ inside
wow until now yɛbɛtimi asisi dua sɛ ɛyɛ Emeritus Professor Dr. Apostle Kojo SARFO ne mu no de ɛda so wɔ transition home
ipacha wan ɛmo ni de o hwɛ de wa spirit ni mu nsɛm no akɔyɛ na ɛna ɔma mi no mu didi nkɔmɔ ɛwɔ around maame bi kura wɔ ɛho pɛɛ transition side hɔ pɛɛ ɔno so tɔn adeɛ na ɔsɛ ɔno ɔmfa ne mi kuro twɛ nsɛm wi ehu sɛ ka bi atu abɔ didi dɛm na emu mo bɛ nyina mo pake wɔ outside the kora nsa na ɔma nante ewura inside nti ka ewu bi ewura inside pii na ka bi nso ewura ɛmfiri outside nso nyɛ de ɛnkɔ inside.
All right, ɛntino menu andi yɛbɛda wase nyame nka ho no mfa obedu asomdwe na mmom uba akuntabu SOMPA 106.5 FM makati asemwe no me pese o kakra we de kakra na membra prince na menji prince adwenkyere na ye move on to the other one me ba so microphone mama wada
prof
yes
as a obobra and ya na one more bra na ye because obebe struggle build the empire na ubiwu na wachi ebe tantan say there I think say one yan because there were two classical examples if you see and the legendary DLD ye no mayeni truka vise ankawi nso omehwe no mayeni but she ni ho uzo hiani de wu asaze wu bi improve nso ye pentema kusi na wiaba ajapade ni ahonyade na manfo ani abre ho ya papare beye ni de omo means o me no ma protecting the legacy amano embarrassing say of all this man did the sacrifices wa beye na ankana o manga na ebetimi celebrate na manfo be kabum akọ celebrate no na ne ma we de ne ma mienu na epre na ekun no omaya ade no omaya ni me enye encouraging nti wonyeska to see what nyeska dio di
azana
na uja
the one prince and the media this is the nyeska now prince african prince aka
so one ni na wo ye wa ajezo udi ye ajapade ama o ma that is no me with will or without will no me ya bini okaze unu wa hwe na the example me nu aba bebre wo ho ba we na recent ones that is lumba de anyway Apostle Kojo SARFO de eba mpenyifo nkasa unsabusia I don't just get it me nim say bedru say ya na interest na ye high into omo ese omo kanu kre nyina nkanu kre obi a pray ni botum obi a pray ni obenya ko
o so ba me na me ni the general secretary edema wo mabusua no ene ni ndi nkomo Dr. Stephen Kisi ewa ahman so dog ye ma kwa ba SOMPA 106 me ba to say ho ye de
about the other me ho ye papa ko
say court injunction no e da so tuema ho
me da so tuem say 10 days injunction and da so tuem and in yan so na e baba no so na din say on to be ye and o ye to ka o
ye to ka
na me ni o de share the say apostle SARFO Italy
and so
and I yi na yi ni and I said some mambu near born hall. Every hope me person me crab because and who am a papa about unam okay FM say obey be fitting by ama papa nini minia
yenya ntie say eye emu no wabafa emu nako na mo amoye ebusuafo a momo taachire a mo hwe achire a wo ye secretary no eye no krepa se emu no wetimi ababetam akọ eye gomu ahono
minia ka ye de ka ye yi a ye di si odehia nka wadaroma ka obesi ahomache a ebe ye yi no ye de danifa no ana minia meboa
no kre
na be si na temahu se ya de obi ho
ye hu se ya de obi ho
na the air time woman say pick up to the who adaka this you ya wrap bit adaka and I system hu
pick up no adaka this
adaka mbasema hu pick up bia na adaka pick up white
ye hu
mahu and he said be your brain pompa na na secret pick up to obi o ye ka mani padam and I pick up to na nke na aji
don
ni na kwa checha tese obi aye bibi na wawu na punish no Tana the bad just for peso and no ye no.
Se no dog mean no. Ya suma obi amanako aye transition home ewo house. Na amania nipa no de ye boy en say aposifo twa ho nyina ehia. Na woni omo around edi nkomo no. Omo ya ntie se eye sara adwo asafo ba ho say anka oba be fa ni papa no emu no. Na emum no aposifo amana kwan esan se injunction eda eyiyo no so sankomo yi afamasomo ana
ya tete so akoho ya tete se eye papa ka baako na mode ko anopa limo no ai busisi transition ya kasai na ye de on se o se apostle a oyobi o ya sudie obi se obi Christos of no be ka se papa de o ye no bone on kasa na o hwe o enti ye busia enye se nke esu ni mema o je bi be nyomo beti so ama mo so akọ be person bi nke de eja ne se onye na ewia court de judge to so ana no ye lawyer o so nim de na o ti on tie court no be ye aye a ogusu a oye no nke de etwe no nke owia de se abusia ye no so de je ho na plan se de be se boka me mu din komo ya mota bi se na abusia de na mbe e ka je se munya abotre ye be court ampasmo ho na e court na ekunya injunction no enti we se sa na be ka se munya abotre na abusia ye dia na kotoko de ye nkunta ya ti o rebi enti ye he ba te be kun emre kwan mu ye nya ade gidigidi en nya ade de tia Ghana mra to ho enti ye de ye di na ye de be ye hwe no na o so ye na yi enti o ye na me nua sabi o so do papa wo de wa ko school a show bon abroche ina wa ko bi wa keska o kwa de ya nsaga mo an ko formal school a ye be ka se o kwa na wa ko tina ho na asia de ye ma teacher ni ba na wala ba kireo enti papa wa wu na so man be fitting barrier na daka na nka wo de na she pick up to the aduwa ho ye ngwase ema ye abusia npo
na monya ntie se watimi abafa mu na na
so far the ye say court injunction by and transition they are come on to ho and enti che ye be ka so abafa on fire abusia de ye de court kan ye no say ampa say transition ye dey order me di akoma omo na omo be say omo ma prefer ya adwuma enti ye fam branch ntem yo enti say be ka say nkofo nko ho na omo ko gina ho enti ma say mra na ga na ho da ti ye ni mumra ye ni mama mre
dog
ye ni hwe
mami so aposifo no mo wo ho no mu na mo ko fa aposifo no say omo ko bo ban wo ho ana
o ye de nko fa police ni bia what I say but the ma order me the police for so munsaka so the police there so munsaka e dey nim say the order ba na say call the case obia TV fire here much more ye munya ye popem say court that na say ahwen say so enti ye ya na say inkrata e say ko ba bia ye dey akọ so enti ye dey aka no ye dey ma police for so you so more wa ye nim reason wa omo ye dey na say ye twen na emramu no ya say ye dey share no ye tabeka no na ye na yi enti Ghana for mo aye e ko so nya poso ko just for yi am say fefe kobo na mo ti ono mo e bo sama mo na mo di asa na me nua sabi o de be mpon say sabi obebo bra bisu asafofo na hwe onwu obi kura osu na ade ya yan say media for man hwe say ye ba kitwa na ma all sisi aye no na ma wo aye na so say jesi Ghana jesi na na mo
ai
na ntia no ya say no akwa front ma enti we you be our so wo sini papa na santimi mu na papa da fom na say Ghana jesi na bo to hu afere nso bi atunfo akwa ntoma afia enti ade no mo ye ni nyina ya say aburo no mu di omo nya o ma di so papa no die obeji omo wi ase no omo ewo bi twa bi de ma no aseda tenti papa ye mu say antika aseda say na ma be ye no so na we MP for 12 years we ni pa Ghana ha wo timi chiche invitation enti say papa yi a obeye de ma bi fitin no wa boa na ade na give me any ni wo say no guase wo say efere na we dey akamamram ne we nya you ayi e se be se nipa ibi me otumfo ayi nyina ye hye na se to wo ke ayi asante hima odoka se de ne tumpam ana mi yan fara tumpam
ye de ne tumpam
na sebio sebe mi na wabusuam obebre wa ye de se na popra so mo ka se de mo tumpam
sure
na mi na obi okura sebio ye di tu abono kura na wawu abusuafo akofa no kura omo de tumpam obi kura won si dada kura no abusua timi ko sire obi fi pa ko dana de tumpam na mpacho ye de se bone be na wa ye ne bana enti ogu ne ma zitei mini asam na be yawo to ba wo ba wi asino timi ye wa ye to kan sei
okay
ye ni sheka emra no na ye de Ghana mra no a ko je nyanhye no na ye hwe to no ye lawyer onu contempt se o fom Ghana mra onim kwan a ye de we de ben e fa so
na injunction no mudi bi ma no de
na menua order me pa cho ko anya bi nkinkan
ma o menya order ni bi akinkan
me pa cho nkinkan
o menya order ni ebi da mani mu asisi akra
e to nya bi anya bi na je to no abu na no agusu se obeya na obeye na obi a wunya order na cho na maye na se ana oni na mo hu no ana ma audit security e cha no ho achia aye ye to ka na ye mi pa cho mu titiri bi o wa se tamu de mu na mu ni party to me kan party to na me dem tell say be ahemfo ene ya ayi oto oni MPP ya jina wo MPP executive kwa wa se de na ma follow ma obi bi sa wa se
na sa wo ankasa so wo hwe enti wo hu se enti wa hwe ehunu se obi e
bi se enti na me bi sa mo se mo hu bibi sa na ma ka kire
bi na me nya hu bibi asa de
enti na me bi sa mo no because mo na mo men wo ayi grounds ana
no correct
me dem anya yie na ye because ye de share ye anya na tantan sa na me nua sabio sabe o de man individual kisa asafo papa akokora be ma ye efe ayi a wo ye ni na we ye ayi we na wo care from na me be ma me ayi me come say people interviewing obi on say interviewing say it be fitting very ani
anti no say o ka say enya be fitting burial la de wo mo ye no how would you describe it? Sure.
Na sabe ya yede ko kama na nipa abe sunu na nko asante mamu de etoda ko eti ko han ko fo mo be sunu ma na ye fe
sure
to de be chia de odom ahemfo ba de klipa titru to nanka ya de dane ne akeri sika kokko kwa fa no kama tonwo na ni na mi ne o bi o
Dabi
ye hu ya say de pick up to ne di adaka hye ne di bi wurem I say wo wia no ho aye bibi na mi ne me ba na se kwa pe kwa fufu bi na ko pie gua ya ho a enti pick up na de adaka ne hye me de betwa mu no na de na afso de kire enti opi onu hu ye ne de no enti se be no beba enti se be enti sa pick up na adaka hye ma de ko hye ho no ne no kire Ghana man sesen
sa oposo kire mu se
we me ba SOMPA de muni mama mre
sure
because what kwa ye bia won tell mu bia da hoda
oh there
anytime that we ye because me who be that am say ye ba just for na set record take me a year mu em na ho
all right
media me nim kura no say tabi o konfobia ye ni ekoto na mu totwene na no abusia pa makoye ye bia ye say unhu amu bia na say do brempo ti say Emeritus Apostle Joseph no ye ka amani platinum na ne say bi wato a ye nya ka papa bi kran fa ne ntum ye adaka na dia shepe capto ni ye awe huru ena say Ghana nyina no ye ya ye wo doma Apostle Joseph am say you see it as me subu yam because I do ye no ja na time pa na Christmas afofo na abusia so hu obi e dia wo ho obi e subu yam na suwa obi ani so beso from bia no eno so won chase what I say ndi chana be yo papa ana yenya manya ye na kofo fika marumu ba ana dia say ye ni I say a man who would be a chromo, I should be unfano, I should be on your consent, I should be on your but maybe and because this year, yes, and now you are in Puno, going in Mano Mudia, remember one of the Jita, and young Papa of and it's million now waiting and say, or another Papa Luton, I am an essay, will be a not loud support, only Punkata.
Dog, Tino, eko piese ampa wo fa kwan bi so eye papa mu no ekosie ya and there's a transition from ne omo obi kan
o se ene de eguso wadaroma eguso de mrana se fa bia no ye de befa because me ka say court asemba ko a ye lawyer Professor Jan one kwami Jan o ka say judge ne say say ma kwan na se ansi asem no na se obi fa kwan bi so to hu e de papa mu ko se ba bia to hu outcome e be ba no sika bie no wi ase ade tue be yi to hu sabe na se bi obem po say na ye hu na mu ye be tie ba no se okwa ko sie no ye hu na bi na sika be na be timi a reverse side way ya
anti
dem nse ka ba o baba wi ase a uyi do kire no nempo no temre so na tinyame eto nsa frewa ono so ahwo do to hu eni ti ma obi ko eti ko pabo si obi oni bi ko pabo si ase me na ye mi papa ye na ye mi mama ye amana fefe na aye we aye
anti in one sentence no how would you describe a funeral na ekoso no
oh and my culture say in one sentence there's no funeral so I can't describe it
okay
if there's funeral I better describe it but there's no funeral and my teacher says funeral there what ko funeral be what ko titru and no momunya titru yi what ko yi a say that day be see nipa ya ne da you know if you mo kura na mo so mo should dem kura ta come dem be to ma nipa ya na
yeah no correct and you know we know
I mean what say yi
and you say anya yi a denga
oh like a professor kobo say we say the way bia no to hu Ghana fo hu suban owom Ghana fo hu say one omu ade omu Ghana mra to hu omu amamere enti me ye patient no me describe say oyobi a omu ade ewo emremu to hu omu mra omu abusuafo omu achese nipa desani say wo hwe na me achese me hu wesa because me kasa me ya ne wan hwe ne ye nkonne
me da say ya ne ye fancy
enti no the best and the beka take Ghana for you say o mon koma kuma nton yam na ye de yenim say obo de ada roma emre wo ha amamre so ha amamre fam ye be ye de be hu de betima ye na emre fam ti hu de betima ye na emre pam no ye se beka amu na ye 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 frefe say de okan wo de wo mu
ya bada sin na wie say anasa na adwumre say wa ma ho kwan ma ye no wadi nkomo nyame nhyira we want to wish you well. Why?
Yeah,
okay. Dr. Stephen Kesi, a secretary, Emma Christo Asafo Ebusi, and not to say in any dingo. Magati. Now I know got some so I can. I mean, Prince. Yeah, pass us a microphone, mammy.
I think say Papa ya oni na kazano. Nobody na wa crowd.
What's the papa no?
O to no hwe ade na TV so obet mama update. Na you know enya ye so TV so.
I said I was so share na de ekọ no okay bia onye bia kan ti onye mfonso.
Ade na enya ye no.
Ah, was say frefre ko bon to frefre ko bon.
Ala da.
Magati be o say oni bia o ka.
Ola mi sorry you see I na ye mpanyifo na na so mo kankra no ebom.
Na say
what take side. One what take side into fa dra unya no mane woni nkasa.
Na so what can well nti no or be there I was say okono e ho no.
We be na o
the head of the family na na kodwa akofuna nti nkasa what take side.
Na so mo na mo ye mpanyifo za mpanyifo wo fi na ya busia secretary na ade na ye na adwa asimigina ha mo mfa mo betwa 3.7 mame na release board ni mamwa then no mo ye fa ho.
Okay, mame.
You see we no mo na say abusia. Mpanyifo say na say abusia we no mo ye nkra da bia wani mu ne ya wo mo nya ugina middle you can call Kwadwo to order, you can call Adwa to order, but once when you take side the pay, you lose respect at the other side. And now why you know? Anything Adwa into your mono.
Prince, are you who semi? Then I'll be Timiaka.
Oh, midamini. Nsem bebre bia kafa ho. I hope set family no. Ombetimi ayena omatimi as sorty issues we. So ti omo enhwe na omo reconcile na mpanifo ewo family nim no. Omo nyina mwa na reconciliation mra se na be asomdwe beba na omotimi awie sa nyema nyina eya one too many, you know, ye hu lumba de sem afi do baby na nkranfo ahemfo ne. I mean, you know, enti ya nye careful a enche bia no pani bia efrimu a so because some of these things done it is a copycat. Enti ebi ehun sene aye kwa obehu ano obi nso aye se chale ono nso we so ofa yi we edu baby na abusua pani bi kra ba be celebrity no ne ade so enti yenye careful because nyesa ebehu ana abedane culture ewo ye kromu ha. Enti I just wish them well.
Okay,
so
that's fine. Say me no ka say Supreme Court abolish delegate system in political parties. The selection of officers. Prince, what do you make of it?
Me foaso.
Oh really? But my party for me ti omo ka say mo a. Enya de omo foaso papa.
No. I obia beka na adwen wo ho. But ni ametimi aka ne say ebi emfoa one member one voter. Ekwai mi so no betimi ahu ne enti a omomfoaso because ewo no nso ho so what you say. So for example bibi ti say eka ewo nipa bebre wanhwe yi a beginsem na NDC for try 2015
yeah
omani ba omo so no na aginsem na omo dwane free ho so enti enye bibi a all that simple enti no ba obviously bi betimi anya eho adwenkyere a that sonko but overall me, as I mentioned on another program today, so yenti ame foaso ne say akodu baby ana nipa no etoaba no omusadodo and na honorable CH Mensa was on another station and bitie no no kaso no share in parliamentary career na se no na enipa eto ne so aba no mo ye be 16.
All right.
Was it say saade no ya entretre mu a enka by now no the same as as before enka jise jama san krofo ni nyina no jise auto car ana auto bus ema omu bia nsa na jama omato aba na ma so brene zane mane monocracy no adoso nti say ye tremu a e challenges but at the same time no anya hwe kra no say uwo sika kakra bia ube chemu ama obi kakra eno no ye better than say okwabrane akoje TV ne yesi ne ye hikra ne say omaba no na omukoje a ebi wo ha delegates system in say ade na dane cocoa farming so enti okwa na ode ni nua na ode ne ba ne no ode wo ma hyehye mu onya opportunity kakra na dane family business enti omukoje omukọ akoto abana na omunya ti se TV bia ebi wo ayese fie ba akumu TV no nko ombeba na obi akita nipa ba emiensa no mu di yikroni nyina eshi enti do time ayeto aba na omukoko frɛ enkrofo so omunkoto om se edu abato no de mo abefrɛ yenkoto na menso me TV won oh problem no enti no to me no sani America no me na ha no mo enkasa asem bia ni ho but at the minimum no ebedu ye tremu a so what you say dodo na ntimi nto TV ema every single person
sure
ebia sani anka o de mom TV no ye be no
community based
TNT
na TNT ni kra no ntimi ntwam
no kra nyasem no no won sinso so no bia America
no you can pay
but at least no ye be chim na obi anya kakra e de afaka
maybe you can pay untimi ntwa because the party doing
I know but
then na wa mo TNT
eno ne ensunso na America no I was here hwe ye hear more laws I be ma ye yi sa obroni friend quit pro quo say mami say na men koto aba a very bad culture I build Ghana ha because abana okoto no honestly se wunu wadwe mu do a you will know say abana woto ama wa wo so what you say
sure
will be 100 cedis 200 even 1000 it will not do anything for you because se obano wa mamu no ama meye ni ye ama wa nya ho benefit na ye ntua okuku farm usika ama na ya mfawo teacher ya recruit na we nurse no nya adwuma nya ne ade a sa 1000 cedis na e bi ode ma wo no even if it's 1000 cedis ubenu hu say e bia want to abani ye
no correct
so what you say
to the offer so ma me tie makati na answer na me tie makati no ma me get here for say Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic minimum ka say Dr. Edu Boaten hey sa doctor na wo boy adwuma gidi eno me kan say obi a woda wo wo pa me ba cho but modern to nsa fre Dr. Edu Boaten Dr. Edu Boaten wa beni e wo yadesem yade bi eni ho obi a wonya stroke wada ho wa campaign ana yade bi age no a campaign ma wontimi nko bebiaro Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic Dr. Edu Boaten be san yade age stroke nkwao sempo pa wo be imagine so ya wo so ana se wo de boy ni anapa yira wagem wa hra no brabo ani your organs wontini mu nsam me pacho upe doctor wo do wani kire no ho a obenya asantem a obeboa wo ama ho ato ntam a eye Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic pacho Fred Dr. Edu Boaten sisia e was 0244 867068 02742 34321 empono wanya asawie na upese utrintire umpum wanya akwanhie bi ana asem ebi ato unante asesa untimi mpagya wonsa you need a physiotherapy section a Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic Dr. Edu Boaten obeji wakejirem dempono ho yedwuma kakra no abre sami amiti me pe massaging Endpoint be massage kama but all hwe na chi akwanya e wa kra wo Spintex Road Shell signboard Spintex kwan so a ya fa baby Shell signboard uko a ubisa na chi akwan ubehono kronom abohia e wo Kumase nti wo Kumase a eye kronom abohia ya bada na se de biara da no yetra se a oso ya sene ma ye for God and country ebrel makati ma nti on this
Prof as a political parties of more Ghana have no mudi of supporters and adwin their grow
political parties,
Yeah.
All the supporters are doing their
Why? Because sadly both parties they are considering so maybe I'm be at me at Tuaba a ban implementation omonye. What I say in this and then Supreme Court abuamo ade amo pese mo ya mo ni opepase mo de beye na Supreme Court dia ba any welcoming decision.
Very.
Any party in Very. Because this one it's a victory for mentorship, a victory for long service, it's a victory for dedication. What I say?
In what sense?
You see, omo two assume party no. Omo na ya reward you omo. And too far MPP, there are people you know that this one is hard working. Who can this young man is hard working, or in the strength. Any adwuma wa ya ma party kwa election na wonya. Esanse wo misika. Ende be ko fo obi a wo sika deep pocket. Ni ato ama no. Oni obi a. Obi a ya ma na adwuma ka ho. Oni party front no ukọ no afi na kwa go introduce o. Ba fo obi a wa ye adwuma na che. And o wasum party no or your party ba on party na wo de adwuma ma na o ko no you don't need introduction. Udu obebo udi. What I say? Obebo udi monocracy. Na me ka so mo ye hypocritical.
Okay.
MPP in 2007 Great Hall. University of Ghana. Delegates got to about 2,340. At that time 230 constituencies. Constituencies be a nipa 10. 10 in two kinds 230 and others national no year yes at time was Alan okay Alan another danko Akufo-Addo and the thinking was that Alan Kreska this omoja delegates inside now betimi ato and then the year 2009 then Samuel Oku was a new driving South. That was his constituency. The claims are ahead of MPP Congress proposed constitutional amendment. Sparks debate. 20 that's Friday 20th March 2009. Samuel Awukwa or rising by a youth organizer MPP in an argument then Omukoyeno Amin Anta former Tamales at MP. Assemblyman, municipal chief executive, district chief executive, is one of the persons who spoke against the motion for the expansion. Mame Benis Boating, our Kofodia, or defend and Omubiemu, and a call 115,000.
Okay.
From 2,340, they expanded it to 115,000 for 2012. 2012, there no. And the polling station executive 55 no muntuaba. And the boy no muyo delegate. Into Muninatimi Tuaba. Then NDC in 2015 decided to open up. NDC abandoned the decision not because they didn't have money to fund it.
Why was it?
It was because of infiltration. I say,
infiltration is
infiltration is that they didn't have proper mechanism in TMP before Kuchim. And we let executives. And more. What is it? And more abandoned the decision in 2017. And more reverted to old system. In the case of the MPP, they progressed. Just last year, July last year, Omuko University of Ghana, another overhaul, an increasing number of delegates to 200,000. At this point, police station executive more increasing number no. All former constituency executives, etimi twaba. Regina Etraba, there is still an amendment on the table. See, Omusako Bium. What is it? Omusako Bium. So you have the ambition, or desire, as you pursue the debate of your Misikano and your lazy man's approach.
Why?
And I pity anybody who make that argument. MPP have not less than 3 million
registered
members. MPP capacity so sene Ghana Police Service. Every polling station in this country, more executive, you know them. Electoral area, more executive, you know them. Uba constituency, you know them. Region, national. If you have failed to manage them, to get money from them, dues, Prof, your mass, young fantasy, each member of the 3 million, 812 cities a month. As in a year. My producers the money in your mass, no? 15 million a month, and a year. A month, 15 million Ghana cedis multiplied by a year. 4 years near SI election way, presidential elections, flag bearer election. 4 years. It is every 4 years, and every month. So you can't tell me the win is car. They've not reason as political make money. I will bet me yes I name my way for yourself. Constituency be a bet me no business or bet me generate their support to party activities. But more transi financier be so-called financier be you don't know where he or she is getting the money from. And to the Nisika Beba on the campaign on the Yamu no party atade won't be that. Party will need power or money 1 year fed mamano. Oh, you're full soldier, only say because you don't pay dues. And every month, you try dues on the Yamawatia says, as I say, you try dues. Now, what to me, I say, what to me, I pray.
Okay. Penny be mean to me money.
All right.
Many didn't come up 6 weeks ago. I can assure MPP forces penny power penny say or no so and it's what they who cry and sana ruling way back. How to send me a McCarthy came. It was see a chassis near movie power no away from our financiers
to the party members.
You know, send a can ruling no say time in this don't even get into all the pros and cons.
Sure.
There are some cons, I acknowledge. But I also acknowledge there are lots of pros. I was say now say party na ye harnesses are pros no. So on the channel. Bibia jina hawa obey skill. I have to admit say forces be all no more. Pay change. No brand there. It is sometimes there is your friend is saying, and I'm trying to mean you say, then I will say I have a problem, but no happy or negatives, no, be more I didn't want to pay. But you say you're really, and you know, we need to make sure say you're better aligned. And I'm hoping say my party would be very proactive in making sure say Adiana Abano, Ubemana Babe insura than say a bear no me.
Or the message in the book, it is good say or support too. Contrary to what others are saying, you know, this is what we must be forward thinking. Now Prince Kabibisu, the course in aspirant meeting delegate. Maybe if he say party to me charges 600,000 Ghana cedis. If you aspirants were, the party should have a way of making sure say aspirants can meet, delegates can meet aspirants. And aspirants can meet delegates in the constituencies. In too far, cry or 34 constituencies. You can put them in zones. Would this kind of there are 2 zones in this zone 1? Absima cinema bekasa. Ya high wall we are mamo. Share at that time we till this time. One madia and then one ma into no pursue show mo boss akano. Because you can't take 600,000 Ghana cedis from an individual as a filing fee. Now we are no one started in the room. Delegate. So you can't do that. Political parties must be proactive. They must be reasoning out of the box. No munyai asreno. I don't know Magalan say a tunkano. They should begin to work. Munyaska, you are generating income. And young ones MPP they don't own office on their own. But for Professor Moss and KNDC need headquarters. And then President Kufuor fear na MPP a user as headquarters na asa. Political party amaba political power for how many years? You cannot commit to build an office. It's a shame.
To the NPP.
To NPP is a shame to the NDC. Ukwa regions no nibi. They are renting. They are renting. A NPP and obedi awa humo mobo no wasibi. Mutuna no waje na adie.
Magati Vamina say RSYD no Vigi Studio. And your studio kakraka ewa akra ha obetibi etwa mfonyin bi o titi mu amoye music videos. Ana mo amoso so a mo pese mo twa mo short videos na mo go social media. Cameras sharp. Omo creative director so ho. Location bia ohia bia so obenya no wo RSYD no Video Studios. O mecha kwan e wo Malam Abase e wo First Kokro Street no so. Patcho bra na be account. First Kokro Street no so. Me patcho obetimi afred was 057 4715778 057 4715778 or 030397482. That is where your vision can become real. Mamin fa prep for enyumre 0260196064 0260196065. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, about all udini baby obakase free. Who kase free? Ubachia chanipa mienu pe nakoso.
ABC na mikase.
Ati chanipa mienu pe nako.
We can come up do ashama. About communication sir. Ashama for still maintain. Give the new supervision na abanye yes. But why to say woman contract no year.
Yo.
Why yes.
Call in.
And second one. And come up Collins. It will be a still covering. If I thought you for a juma or ye jumon, want to do kaka, but mon fashion young, not that communication salon, you look for Montman.
Yanko,
I began on national.
Me patch me that's so buy it because my mouth too. Would yes, I mean, no one because I bread. You okay? Okay, go in. Yes.
Music, Mammy will tell. Make Mammy catch a just as we said. On time. I have papa a mom say that. On one time, the person some also on ticket number is just what to so. What mobile conta and I'm a patrol. Said now, I said no. Near Catano, even to Chicago, dear, but then I said, yes, I think on Cockra. But without you will take the vacuum. Yes, say, China. Almost in us, and Japanese is all I said, and I'm 1 year to watch here, and I'm telling you, say, because I have a trap, you know, was the next 2024 election. It's about pressure, and I'm saying, yes, that was what I'm fast, yeah, fatigue for correction. As you know, it's Mr. I have been caught, and I had the channel. But I will say, I just have to show that it's different from and set them case. No, or Ghana, and I'm court. I want to be way, and I'm caught.
Mamma Nasi. Hello, good evening.
Hello,
good evening.
Every year, I'm to market at Ghana. I'm waiting by the way.
Me, who ye?
I mean, no, Papa. What you about to say? Who was about the beginning of the Greater Accra Woman Organizer, Greater Accra Woman Organizer or Bacteria Robert Naomi on one echo. Those types. You are charged national chairman.
Me that say so by Jumedi no so what from Mumra. O from Mumra may you free so what but three. Maka two, who pass all your fast. Oh yes, I may you free so yes. Go in.
The papa, oh, I did some court. And I did my ruling, the means no papa. I'm not coming younger. I said, when we are delegates before, and if I could wear this year, just come home. Oh, God, I know my Pajia. Say, with me or boy, the 1 piece card. Let me try to do some time with this rubber. That's when you mean, papa. Put it in the bye.
But that's a pass by. Hello, good evening.
Prof.
Yeah, me bato Manao Pantan Village, Yankwe.
Good.
Yeah.
Ever more money. Na Dicano. You best press. I just happened in Nebuchadnezzar for any said you about the budget of my Johnson when some therefore.
Nyabotre, wo say oba, wo say oba junso memma junso a wo dan na efo.
On some therefore.
Ayo, ko eni me.
Emo. Yo, nemi na nisa na me chia era Lanabi. Ana Mira Moses abo me chia omunyina. Na fe me taba policy mo.
Me pacho, me si nipa mienu pe. Obi wo ekire, nipa na nya kwan amba no wo kasa. Obi di ye wa anya ode, enti nipa mienu ko wenim.
Sisi ya wakati bakam so. Tamkata die. Ye best friend is the government say. Ye rape mama ne ko fo se, ye omu ya no. Omu dia ko bwane, na we susubio. Na wo friend na adu carry agent. Wo kra die ko, afadi ka to omunyo. Na we susubio. And this way, you're done, and no one yandy senior, one yandy pa. The yandy senior, one yabonica. And the young for now, Muslim, something goes almost fire. But I may come and find for the MC before. What has a much young for now, Muslim, something in us?
There be untimin Casasa. Hello.
Good evening, bro.
Yeah, we must all 1 minute, Casay.
We are free from every cantonment, bro.
Yes, a free for free cataman to every farm I'm in Tiway.
Money, my power, yeah. I mean, here on ABOTCHIE, incoming NPP. If you got the year with the any upon your not one of cry, you never see in the end, ABOTCHIE all the way. I mean, here opening Adam Pro Attack this year. Prof. Way, I think we not the Dahon, no, let Nama, I'm not the Dahon. Mahama, Pedro Yana Casa to see an you know, Mahama, no threat of Kufado, any again. No, you say, when you put 1 egg again. When no two opposition and what can't say, the lawyers in court to know about 20 judges, and for 40 judges. As he said, Opa, not only in one year, who so get that, and my baby dinner at each kind of company bottom, including Debbie. I can see in it. Debbie.
Untimin kase. Abanya wote so na ekofa na bae. Enu you ni sada. Your friends say ya uni sa dance no. Enti asamwa Debbie tie. Asamwa uni dance wo ho no. Yenka.
Me say, Prof, me say my chair sign.
Okay.
Na ayendana the born mobile, and then will be a thing upon your mobile. No, near born mobile.
Me pacho, also mean ya say me pa hoban bobia, met me aqua pussy for Acoseromo. Say, omo mom hoban, and nama some winty.
What am I and choco? What by you? And you can't know with your court, and then the MPP go with your court, overcharging them. Let me know, I asked them the whole year. I can come up with someone and say, your friends are grand. I got a fear man in Jim. Yes, no better than something to be can just need my baby. I'm no man 8 months. It's when a woman is 2 years to cry. Not for Nifa. Or just a one more. You were Mohammed Shen, you are not yet. You will saw because under a present. Now, let's give one.
Me bacho me dasi. Hello.
Yeah, open here to say.
Me bacho me hoya na wana me ne kase.
Yeah, me frame question.
Kwesi kasa u kasa frame.
Go
Tabura. Kwesi my deal.
Adibi wo Ghana for Chima. Yin has a yama akose no frese. Delegates and the charge aspanta etese e twaba mo no mutika.
We bacho we delegate ada.
Yeah, my delegate thing. There's no single day our constituency being a delegate in the Chabwa as far as the Pia. And yet, Santa Prince Abba, Prince and Trabaman, Prince over no 1,000, Namakati Abakati over no 2,000. And yet, one of them show off. But you really are the good delegates, so that as a delegate, there is a discount. Parliament cafe. Obi macha one day at delegates club woman as far as vision for man.
Enti ma membi se wo twa Supreme Court twa saade ne mu no eya na senye
o eya pa eya pa ti makati na makati ma banza autobia 209 mi tsebu ti ya ni e kafetia ami anta Razak, not here DC war, your friend is Kintampo, myself, and the pack of no, that's not yet the only people, the only many people doing to be. I'm a man just going and the foresight that there's maybe a also. And maybe they may come address that issue on is it.
Okay.
This is the first time I'm mentioning my cat in arguing. I was just like a Casama. And on taking sides. If you're a cat, you're not taking sides. I was not pressing. So on that, you're nominating a young decision that won't mean not be our friend. And I'm all yes or penny papa. President Akufa be a president. Or said that for your procurement minister. Or 27 million Ghana citizens saying fan to Kantaka cast my education. What the hell told this mission? What Papa Panasa on them? As long you cannot bring document, abstract report. You see, young to Kantaka cast. I got a figure of told Mitsubishi cast.
Producer Wayne. Jerry Wayne, on taking note of this number for me, said the Beya, Menendeka say we are also have documents. I need to see those documents. Why?
Yeah, and only, answer Papa, or tiny Papa, or so you be doing Papa Nadi. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Yanka, Yake, the Peru, Nabusha, from the world, extremely superior, and never. Now the battery the body I could see, which are penny who be okay, who be do some one. The last time you got in came okay from Saturday and October, or the body no purpose of Kosha. This of
Maminasi, Ebekasa with you, why? Maminasi. Hello, good evening.
ABOTCHIE.
Yes.
And also
you. Catch your telephone and say, Una we are offering you a wuchato. Midasi. Me pacho mind you. Yes.
And I get most income a basho. A good decision and a way to know. Only the set the look of the every trying when you come and the book of the because I'm more for a friend and a stove then now. I promote a figure was a and a tender. I was trying to home. I didn't share amount for a stop home. And the detail do the area of our home, or one what you put here, and I get up to the job.
Maminasi, a brother, a be a call. Prince, what's a matter 30 seconds?
Oh, Prof, meet me, I can